So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain you about the experiment on the study of cathode ray oscilloscope. So here you can see this is the digital CRO and we have connected the CRO to the audio signal generator. I will explain you how to use CRO and ASG and do this experiment. So first you can see here CRO has two channels 1 and 2. You can connect the channel 1 or 2 to the audio signal generator or ASG as we call. It is going to generate the waveform. It is going to help to apply the waveform, that is sine or square or rectangle. You can apply using this ASG input, sine wave input as a waveform, and the CRO is going to show you the waveforms that has been applied by the ASG. So cathode ray oscilloscope is an electric device which is capable of giving a visual indication of signals waveform in oscillo waveform. So first we should know how to use ASG. So here this is the functional generator or audio signal generator we call. It has the capacity of 1 megahertz frequency. So multi waveform signal generator. Here you can see the frequency that you can apply, hertz, kilohertz to megahertz. So here the frequency range has been given 0.1 hertz to 1 megahertz. You can vary the frequency using this knob. So here it is 100 hertz. So you can vary the value between 1 to 100. So here you can see these are the different waveforms you can apply, and this DC must be offset for performing this experiment. Whatever the DC current is flowing, that must be set off. Then these are the keys used to find or the amplitude that we are applying. You can find using this knob, and here we have three dBs, 40, 60 and 20 dB. So you can press any of the button and your amplitude is going to be reduced by 10 times. 20 dB if you press it, your amplitude is divided by 10. 40 if you press 100, so like that. So here is the output you can connect to the CRO. So let us apply here sine wave. So this is the symmetry on and off button. So I have applied here sine wave. So first you should know how to use this CRO. So here you can see I have pressed the 100 kilohertz button, and within that range you can increase or decrease the frequency up to 100. If you press 1K, up to 1K you can vary. So it is 85.5 like that. So if we apply the first waveform, that is about the frequency 100. So I am applying here frequency 100. Okay. Then here we have to use these given buttons on this. So this is the knobs used to shift the vertical direction of the wave, and this is used to set the horizontal position and can zoom the wave, and then scale, and here is the trigger button menu, and variable you can use the knob, and then as I said, 2 channels, so we have connected across channel 2 the output, and scale you can change for the channel 2. So here you can see the waveform you can generate here, sine wave we have. So the frequency is how much? That is around 100 Hz. So you should note down the horizontal scale. Horizontal scale will give time, and vertical is going to be amplitude. And if you measure the horizontal scale, one complete wave, then you can find out the frequency. It starts from, so this is crest and the below is called drift. So complete one wave you should note down the time period.